Hi there. Today's topic, from spiritual practice to spiritual way of life. It all starts with spiritual practice. Spiritual practice accumulates over lifetimes. So some of us have a much stronger pull towards turning to the inside, becoming completely mindless, not connecting to the thoughts, treating all the experiences as real, as the same, of equal value. Because, as we discover sooner or later, while we are turning inwards and connecting with pure existence more and more, we realize that in some previous lifetimes, we were already turning inwards, we were already developing spiritual practice to a certain degree. And it's not lost. It accumulates over lifetimes. So for some of us, it is actually easier, and we are more motivated to turn inwards. We are more motivated to find out what it's actually all about. What is existence? What's the nature of existence? What are all the experiences we can have of existence? But nevertheless, even for those who are not that heavily inclined naturally from the start towards turning inwards and treating all experiences the same and being completely mindless, not connecting to the thoughts, it all starts with spiritual practice. We need to start somewhere, sometime. And we start by turning inwards, develop practice, first maybe 20 minutes, half an hour, then we go a bit longer and longer, and then we're starting to transfer that spiritual practice into a way of life, turning inwards more and more, connecting with the pure existence on the inside more and more, being mindless more and more, not connecting to the thoughts. Because you see, all the insides, all the real knowing is on the inside. Everything starts and is created on the inside. And then can that be experienced in different ways, even as a physical reality in the space and time? But it develops on the inside. Everything is on the inside. All the insights to be had are on the inside, turning inwards. Nothing is to be gained really by sort of turning outwards and connecting to the thoughts 24/7. It's all very shallow. There are no insights there. There is no real knowing there at all. It is just reheating of the experiences on a completely shallow and surface level. Small talk, gossip, hearsay. That's how it is. So we start with developing a practice, turning inwards, being mindless, and then extending this practice and allowing this practice to spread more and more into everyday life, and then making a way of life spiritual. So the most of the time during the day, we would be turned inwards instead of being turned outwards. We still have all the experiences and notice all the experiences on the outside. We're not missing anything out. We're just turned inwards. We're grounded inwards, inside, and being mindless, not interfering and absolutely not engaging with the thoughts, not hanging on to them, not sort of identifying with them. And then all the experiences are real. And we're treating all the experiences as real. And we have this rich experience of existence. Experiences on many different levels, not just on one, but different levels. Like a level of art experience, a level of a dream, a level of imagination, a level of going deeper and experiencing all different sorts of existences, like experiencing the level of heaven, the level of hell, the level of planets and worlds and stuff that we do not experience when we turn outwards on an everyday basis. All different experiences, they're all real. They're all created on the inside. All these forms and shapes and colors and tastes and smells and everything else is created on the inside. And everything is then experienced on different levels, just depending on how it's processed, what sort of engagement with the mental images exists. Do we engage with them? Do we engage them to the certain level, or do we just let them pass through? So you see, once we are sort of really connected on the inside, and there is the discontinuity on the inside, does not stop when the physical body dies and starts when the physical body is born. It's just continuous. It's never ending, never starting. It's a spiritual way of life. Nothing affects us in a way of, because we're not connecting, we're not engaging with the thoughts. So we do not have these mental and emotional, or whatever we call them, ups and downs. We do not feel this deep sadness, deep elation, deep happiness, or whatever. We're just absolutely okay, absolutely balanced, absolutely at peace as it is. And knowing that everything we experience are experiences, and there are all these different experiences to be had, the experiences of gods, experiences of devils, experiences of heavens, angels, experiences of human bodies and human people moving around on the outer level, all the experiences to be had. While the continuity is actually on the inside, connected to the pure existence, completely unprocessed, and being focused and being stationed there. You see what a rich tapestry we are gaining of continuity, and all is still enjoying all these different experiences on different levels. So it all starts with a spiritual practice. It's never too late. The spiritual practice, as I said at the start, it accumulates. The right spiritual practice, mindless spiritual practice, which is not connecting to the thoughts, mental images. It all starts with that, and then it spreads and spreads and spreads. And you go deeper and deeper, more and more turned inwards. And then you go through a day after day after day like that, turned inwards. And enjoy all the different experiences while being focused and anchored completely inwards. Completely stable there, completely at peace. Doesn't matter what experiences you have, you're completely at peace, they're experiences. And the connection with the pure existence is always at peace, it's always balanced. It's always completely in complete harmony, blissful. It does not change. It does not start and end. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.